Introducing EZWrite, BenQ's cloud-based whiteboard. The EZWrite toolbar offers a range of collaboration tools that let you customize your whiteboard, collaborate with multiple people simultaneously, and save your sessions. EZWrite allows you to easily import up to 15 pages or slides, or several images onto the whiteboard. You can use a QR code to share the files. To use EZWrite in Duoboards mode, launch EZWrite on both Duoboards, and then tap the Duoboards button. To use the EZWrite Cloud Whiteboard, tap Invite and then select the mode. Other users can join the session by scanning the QR code and entering a username.